What if I told you your phone, your car, your Netflix queue, and even your toaster could be smarter than your cousin Dave? No offense to Dave, but here's the real question. How does AI actually work? And is it really thinking? Or is it just a really fast parrot with Wi-Fi? Let's break this down. You've probably heard the term artificial intelligence thrown around more than a football at the Super Bowl. But what does it actually mean? Is it robots taking over the world? Or is it just Siri giving you the wrong directions again? Well, artificial intelligence is magic. It's math. Boring, complicated math dressed up to look cool. At its core, AI is a computer system that learns from data to make decisions. But it doesn't learn the way we do burning toast a few times until we get it right. No, AI learns by spotting patterns. Let's start with the simplest kind, machine learning. Think of it like training a dog if your dog could do calculus. Say you want to teach an AI to recognize pictures of cats. You show it 10,000 images labeled cat and 10,000 labeled not cat. It doesn't know what a cat is. But after comparing thousands of pixels, edges, shapes, and colors, it starts to spot trends. Whiskers, check. Pointy ears, check. That smug I own this house expression, triple check. The AI builds a model, basically a set of rules and weights that helps it guess, with pretty good accuracy, whether a new image is a cat or a fraud. And here's the cool part. The more data it sees, the better it gets. It's like your brain, but without the existential dread. But then, there's a fancier flavor of AI called deep learning. This is where things get wild. Deep learning uses something called neural networks. No, they're not brain transplants for your laptop, though that would be awesome. They're actually layers of mathematical functions designed to mimic how neurons fire in the human brain. Imagine a giant sandwich. Each layer processes part of the input, say, the pixels of a photone passes the information along. The deeper the network, the more abstract the understanding. The first layer might see edges. The next, shapes. Eventually, it sees a cat. Deep learning powers everything from voice assistants to self-driving cars to deepfakes that could fool your grandma into thinking Elvis is back. Sorry, Nana. Now, if you're wondering how ChatGPT or other AI chatbots work, that's called natural language processing, or NLP. It's how machines understand and generate human language. But like me's trained on massive datasets of text from books, articles, websites, Reddit posts, and yes, probably your favorite fanfiction site, it doesn't know facts the way humans do. Instead, it predicts the next word in a sentence, one word at a time, based on the patterns it has seen in its training data. That's right, this video you're watching? It's probably being transcribed and fed to the next version of me. Creepy, a little, useful, extremely. But wait, if AI can drive cars, write poetry, and recommend your next binge watch, does that mean it's conscious? Nope. AI doesn't think, it doesn't feel, it doesn't know if it's helping you find a recipe or accidentally booking you a flight to Antarctica. It's not sentient, it's just really good at math. So why does it seem so smart? Because we humans are great at seeing patterns too. Sometimes, we mistake efficiency for intelligence. When something responds in a human way, we assume it is human. But remember, parrots can talk too. That doesn't mean they understand Shakespeare. Now here's the twist. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased, flawed, or just plain weird, the AI's results will be too. Garbage in, garbage out. Which is why, no matter how powerful AI gets, we still need human judgment, creativity, and yes, even Dave. So will AI take over the world? Probably not. But it will reshape how we work, how we create, even how we think. The real question is, what are you going to do with it? Because while AI is learning faster every day, you've got something at dose: consciousness, empathy, and the ability to ask, should we, instead of just can we? Now, if you enjoyed that mental roller coaster, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and check out the links in the description for more mind-blowing content, and hey, drop a comment below. What part of AI do you want to learn about next? Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay human.